fx equals 3x minus 5 for all values of x. Solve f of x squared equals 43. A sketch of y equals g of x for domain x between 0 and 8 is shown. The graph is symmetrical about x equals 4. The range of g of x is between 0 and 12. Work out the function g of x. Okay, so let's have a look at this then. I've got this question summarized here. Okay, the first one then, f of x squared. So part A. So f of x squared. F of x, sends something to 3 times something minus 5. 3 times the something minus 5 then is 3x squared minus 5, which equals 43. So that tells us then, move the 5 over, 3x squared, leave that as is. Move the 5 over, 43 plus 5 is 48. Now move the 3 from times down to divide. 48 over 3 is 16. And then x square root both sides. This is for all values of x, so when you square root 16 you get plus or minus 4. That's part A. Part B. Now, g of x is defined here between 0 and 8. G is symmetrical about x equals 4. The range of g is 12, so this height here is 12. So what is this gradient? Well, it goes up by 12 and it goes across 4, so the gradient is 12 over 4, isn't it? So here, this is y equals 3x. So g of x is equal to 3x, and that would be between 0 and 4. And then there's this line here, isn't it? So if you look at that, there's symmetry, so this will have, this goes down 4 unit, across 4, and down 12. So the gradient here is minus 12 over 4, which is minus 3x. Okay, so minus 3 plus a constant of integration, which we don't know what it is. So y equals minus 3x plus k. So that's that line there. We know it goes through the point 0, 8, 0, don't we? So at 8, 0, this line, 0, is equal to minus 3x plus k. X is 8. So minus 3 times 8 is minus 24. Plus k. So k is equal to 24. So here we've got plus 24. And this would be between 4x and 8. And there's the function g. And there's some workings that we needed to do to get the value k. Just one little extra little comment here. Really and truly speaking, we shouldn't have equal to 4 here and also for this function here, because they're actually the same point, so we can just remove one of them, and this function is now fine.